Hi Brolearners, how are you? Hope you are doing good. In this video we are going to discuss what is overflow, and an overflow is nothing but something that flow out of the box. For example, if you are having a jar and you are filling water, if you fill the water full of jar and after that if you open the null, then your water is out of the jar. This is what overflow means. And in our HTML, if we define some division for div tag, and we provide the text heading, paragraph, etc. and etc. And the text is going out of the division. This is called overflow. We can handle with the help of overflow attribute. We have visible, hidden, scroll and auto. Let's discuss one by one. First of all, I have this type of structure. Okay, here I have h1 tag, then p tag, and after that I have a division tag with class name container, and here I have some text. Now let's see. First of all, define the division dot class name container. Okay, then providing height and width. Let's say height 300 pixel, width again 300 pixel, and after that we provide background color. Let's suppose we provide red, and I change this color with the help of this attribute, not attribute, this feature of VS Code. Okay, and color with white color. Okay, let's open the live server. This is our box. Okay, but what if I have, let's click here, if I have rem lorem 1000. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, because the color of the text is white, that's why it's not visible. Let's say gray. Now it's visible for all of you. You can see this is by default out of this box, and this is overflow. If we provide overflow visible visible, then nothing will change because by default it is visible. If we provide it hidden, hidden, then see the change. It is now no more. Let's remove this and set the border because it's look very ugly. Border 2 pixel solid black. Okay, now it's pretty much better. You can see. Now if I provide scroll, then you can see there is a scroll bar, or we have this feature. You can see we have all the text within this box. If we provide auto, let's see the change. Auto. Now you see this, there is only a vertical scroll bar, not a horizontal. When we provide auto, it provides us scroll bar when it is necessary. Okay, you can see this horizontal scroll bar is not visible. No, it's not there. Okay, you can also provide x-axis and y-axis overflow. First of all, I remove all the other unnecessary thing and having the dummy tags. Okay, I provide white space no wrap um for horizontal overflow. You can see I have this horizontal overflow. If I want to remove this with the help of overflow, we can do that. Okay, overflow x-axis and select flow, let's say hidden. Now you can having the exact this. If you provide a scroll bar, you can do that. Scroll bar. You provide scroll bar. There's two-way scroll bar. Okay, because we by default we provide for x-axis. That's why it's visible for x-axis. Okay, similar way you can do with y-axis. If I remove word space, okay, and let's see the change. But it is not overflowing. Now I provide lorem 100 for overflow. Not overflow. I provide overflow y-axis hidden. Hidden. Now you can see there is no y-axis overflow. You can provide a scroll bar again. Scroll. Okay. You see scroll bar. Okay. That's it for today's video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share with your friend, and bye bye.